Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Here's a fun question for you. How well do you remember the 1990s? It was the decade that brought us texting, MP3 music, and Tickle Me Elmo. But most importantly, the World Wide Web itself was born. And companies like Amazon and Google were started. Along with those giants, countless solopreneurs saw the potential of the internet and got on board before everyone else. In the process, they managed to create a new way of life for themselves, working from home and living life on their own terms. If you missed out, that's okay, because you now have a second chance. It's all happening again, but this time even more people will benefit. You see, 2023 will go down in history as the year that artificial intelligence went mainstream. That's right, this year, right now. AI will change even more lives than the internet itself, because you don't need any technical skills to benefit. All you need to do is copy the AI income methods already being implemented successfully by thousands of people. Then let AI do all the work for you. So it's time to ask yourself the million-dollar question. Will you use AI to change your work and life situation forever, just like thousands of others are doing this very moment? Or will you let a second opportunity of a lifetime pass you by? If you're ready to try something new and exciting, download the videos below and start your journey as an AI entrepreneur. You'll uncover the 9 AI money methods that literally anyone can use, and you'll have a brand new white label video course you can sell as your very own.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.